Hello, this is Sergey from ProperSoft, and in this video I will show you how to use Bank2QFX utility. You can download Bank2QFX at propersoft.net/products/Bank2QFX. Click the download button and then select Windows or Mac version to download. Let's go to install. And once downloaded and installed, start Bank2QFX. Read the welcome message as it provides important details about the conversion process. Select a file with transactions that you would like to convert. It could be PDF bank or credit card statement, QIF or QMTF file exported from Quicken or other accounting software, OFX, QFX, QBO, STA or MT940 file downloaded from online banking. Review transactions before converting. Make sure dates are correct, expenses are negative, and payments to the account are positive. Set the account ID and account type. The account ID must be digits only. You can enter actual number, account number, or credit card number, or a shortened number. It is important to use the same number when you convert multiple files for the same account, and use a different number when you start converting for another account. For example, let's start with the first file for a checking account. Convert the first file and use account ID 100001. Then you convert a second file for the same checking account, keep the same account ID 10001. Then you start with a credit card account. For the first file for the credit card account, change the account ID to another number, for example 10002. And for the second file for this credit card account, keep the account ID as 100002. When you start working with another account, make sure to adjust the account type as well. So in our case will be 1002 and credit card. The account type is important to set, as Quicken allows you to import created QFX file for a credit card account only into credit card account in Quicken, and for a QFX file for a checking account, Quicken imports this file only in a bank account. For Quicken US edition, the currency must be US dollar. For Quicken Canadian edition, the currency can be US dollar or Canadian dollar. INTU.BID value is another important parameter to set. This value defines the bank label you see during QFX import in Quicken. This value does not have to match your account name in Quicken, but it has to be from allowed by Quicken Bank. Some users do want the name of the bank to match the bank name in Quicken, and you can do this by selecting appropriate INTU.BID value. But if your bank is not listed or not allowed, you can easily use any other bank label. INTU.BID value applies to the account type. Some INTU.BID values are allowed for certain account types only. Click the lookup button to see the list of banks and INTU.BID numbers, and search for your bank name. If you find one, you can use it, and if it is allowed. For example, this one, Capital One credit card services allowed only for credit card. If you cannot find your bank or it's not allowed, then use some default value, for example 3000, which is Wells Fargo Bank. There are some other settings that are discussed in another video. I would like to skip this for now, but you may need them in some specific situations when you know you need them. Set the Open After Save checkbox if you would like accounting software installed on your computer to open created QFX file after it is created by the converter. So the converter creates the file and tells the software installed on your computer to open and import this file. If you want manually import QFX file, uncheck this Open After Save checkbox. Click the Convert button and confirm the file name and the file location. To import the QFX file manually in Quicken, go to File, Import, QFX file, and select Created QFX file. And now either select Existing account or create new account or link to existing account. And transactions now are imported and ready for review. And you have to click Accept All to add them to the register. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.